Legislation passed a law, which was House Bill 3, which mandated an armed individual on every campus in the school district in the state of Texas. As our district grows, which we have seen a tremendous growth in this district, the need for more access control, more cameras to keep a watchful eye on our campuses for our students. When we hire an officer for our campuses, just the supplies that the officer needs, which includes the uniforms and the equipment, is roughly $47,000 just in supplies and equipment to provide the officer to do their job. And on top of that, you add the starting salary. So we're getting close to $100,000 of expense that the district needs to provide. And the state at the present time has only allocated $10,000. So every district officer you see walking our halls, $90,000 of that is provided by the district. Proposition 8 would add $6.6 million of additional